Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. So today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of something that I totally am in love with. I'm not going to go overboard, but I want them in like every place that I can possibly have them in. So today I'm going to be unboxing a snake plant. This is a snake plant that I got for 11 bucks on, it was like $11.90 something on Amazon. The reason I'm sharing this with you because plants are great for oxygen, cleaning your oxygen and cleaning your air. Plants take in great oxygen, take in great molecules during the daytime, and at night they release like the best oxygen for you, and it filters the air in your room. So it's good to have at least 2 to 3 plants in every room if possible. So I'm in my office right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this one. I actually ordered 2, so this is one of 2. I don't know why they both didn't come the same. They were 2 separate orders, but they did get ordered the same day, but the other one doesn't come till tomorrow, I believe. So it's kind of weird. But anyway, so I'm going to open this up. The box is kind of tatted a little bit. I'm hoping that it's not messed up or anything in the inside. So yeah, let's get in here and see how a live plant comes. If you didn't see my first plant, when I first got into plants some years ago, I shared a unboxing of a snake plant from Amazon with you guys, and I was really excited about that. It actually came pretty good. It had a couple little imperfections that I didn't like, but all it took was a matter of me contacting Amazon and letting them know. Oh, it comes with plants for pets, satisfaction guaranteed. Good news, you have been upgraded. I don't know what that means. We've sent you an upgraded plant to a larger size. I don't know how much of an upgrade it is because it looks like the size that I ordered, because it says 6 to 9 inches. Maybe, yeah, this is a big box. So let's see, guys. Let's open it up. Let me get it out the box. Hold on. So there it is. I didn't want to open it without you guys. And they said it's upgraded. I'm going to get my measuring tape because the one that was on sale was a 6 to 9 inch snake plant, and this don't look like it's huge, which I wanted to take a chance because I went to Home Depot and I seen some nice ones that were like the same height for like 12 bucks, and I'm like, well, let's see what Amazon has going on. So we're gonna go and check them out. Now let's open up this rubber band. Okay, let me get scissors. For the price, I don't know, I feel like the ones at Home Depot, did I say Amazon? I meant Home Depot, were a little bit bigger for about the same price, because they were $12.99 and these are $11.98, so like $1 difference. But it's not bad. I actually am kind of surprised. Let's see the length of the, where did I do my, oh. Okay, so this is 9, or was it 9 to 11? Let me check, guys. Hold on. Okay, so after checking, it says the one that I got was supposed to be 9 to 11 inches. So I guess they're considering this one little leaf that is what, maybe 2 inches, not even difference, is a upgrade. Yeah, okay. Anywho, then it came with, oh wow, I didn't even know. Oh wow, it's your lucky day. Plant for pets. Thank you for your order. We have included a free air plant. These little guys are super easy to care for. They like a moderate amount of direct sunlight and thrive in temperatures ranging from 50 to 90 degrees. Lightly mist with spray, a spray bottle 2 to 3 times a week. If you find that missing is not sufficient, I guess they must have said misting is not sufficient, you can briefly soak once a week and see how the plant responds. However, keep in mind that overwatering it is the most common reason that they die. Oh wow, well they should have been a little bit more careful with the way they put it in here. Does anybody know about air plants? I don't think it's like you just mist them and they grow. I don't think they even have to go in soil or anything like that. So that was pretty cool. So I'm liking it. It looks healthy. Only little imperfection I see is right here. Could y'all see that? But other than that, it's pretty cool. Now let me show you guys. It's around Mother's Day time, and so I wanted more plants. So let me show you what my children got me. Da, 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 da. So Rizzy got me 2 of these nice, big, pretty plants for Mother's Day. So I have 2, one on this side and one over here. Naya bought me these. These are sturdy, like heavy duty. They're like metal. And I have 3 of them. One in my bathroom upstairs, and then I put the 2 down here. And then Naya also bought me some candles. So they've been doing pretty good. And then I got some more gifts on the way. Well, I got lots of different other gifts, but from my children, this is what I got. And I'm just showing you guys this because it is the snake plant. And I'm so excited and so happy to see it grow and flourish. So yeah, let's go back upstairs. If you didn't see that video with the way to decorate a entry area, oh excuse me, this is my other snake plant baby, and then here is another. So this one has really been thriving. So yeah, so the crazy thing is I actually like this little guy up here, so I might keep it here in the office. And this might just be its home. I think that's what I'm gonna do, is keep it in the office. I was thinking to put it on one nightstand, one on his side, one on my side, but I think I might just keep it in the office. And then the other one that comes, I might put that in the bathroom, in the master bathroom, along with another plant that I wanna put in the stands that I showed you that Naya got. So yeah, I just wanna share these with you guys. If you guys are interested, I will try to leave a link below. I don't get paid for this. This is not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. And so, yeah. And this is Plants for Pets. I think that's the name of the company. I'm not sure. But I'll read this and I'll do some feedback. But this was pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can join the family. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. If you have any questions or something you want to see me do on this channel, please leave it below and I'll be sure to get back to you. And guess what, guys? I will see you guys later, Gators.